Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a protein treatment on my hair. I have not done a protein treatment, y'all, in so long. I used to do them way more often back in the day, but I went out and got my Old Faithful ApHogee. I have already shampooed my hair. I used the ApHogee shampoo for damaged hair. And then this is a two-step protein treatment. So the first step is the actual protein, applying this to the hair. This is pretty watery. So what I'm going to do is actually put this into a water bottle that I have on hand and just spray it into my hair for easier application. And the last step of this process is the balancing moisturizer, which is by ApHogee as well. So I feel that I need a protein treatment right now because my curls are just not looking like they, I don't know, they're just not popping enough for me. I will be styling, of course, after, and we'll see how that style comes out. I just haven't really been loving how my hairstyles have been coming out. And so protein, you also can use it for like color damaged hair that's just been overly processed. So I have not had any color applied in a while, and I always get that done at the salon in a safe way. So I don't know what could be causing me to not necessarily care for my curls lately, y'all. But yeah, so I'm just going to try this and see if this helps. So I'm going to be applying it in pretty small sections, and this protein treatment gets really hard. So you apply it and then you work it through the entire section to make sure it's evenly distributed. And then I'm going to move on to the next section. And you also have to let it dry when you finished. So you can either sit under the dryer or do a handheld dryer. But if you do the handheld dryer, you want to make sure that you are not manipulating your hair at all. So I'm just detangling this section first before I apply the protein. I had to actually transfer the protein into another bottle because my other bottle that I was just trying to use was not spraying out. I don't know what was going on with that. So I am done applying all of the protein, y'all. I pretty much used all of it. I just have a little bit left. Not sure if y'all can see that. So yeah, it's just a little left. I am super sticky. So as I told y'all, this product gets super sticky. And yeah, so the bottom part of my hair, since that's where I applied it first, is already drying a little bit. So as I said, I'm just going to hold a handheld dryer over my hair to dry the rest, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the balancing moisturizer. And so yeah, so I will show you guys what it looks like after I get done blow drying. Okay, so y'all, my hair is completely dry with the protein in it, and it is super stiff, so definitely not moving at all. As y'all can see, this is just what it looks like all the way dry. And I actually did smaller sections this time. I was more patient with myself and thickness of my hair. I used to apply this in like bigger sections, but doing it in smaller sections is best. So I am going to go ahead and rinse this out. And then add the balancing moisturizer, and then I'll be back to show y'all my finished results. So I have rinsed out the protein treatment and also the balancing moisturizer. I only let that stay in a couple of minutes, and so I'm going to go ahead and apply the leave-in conditioner and then style my hair really quickly. So I think I'm just going to do a braid and curl, put some perm rods at the end. So my hair definitely feels softer. I'm going to add the leave-in and see how it feels after that. And so this protein is supposed to prevent shedding for at least 4 to 6 weeks. So that is another reason, if your hair has been shedding really bad, then yes, try a protein treatment. That should help you some. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and this is what my hair is looking like after adding my protein treatment and letting everything fully dry. So I did a quick braid and curl, and then I did sit under the dryer for about an hour to let it dry even more. And so I will use the products that I use to style. I did use Trelux. Y'all know I love Trelux. I've been using that a ton lately. So yeah, so I used the Trelux styling cream to braid my hair and to put my perm rods on the ends. And so yeah, this is what it came out looking like. So I'm really liking it. So from here, I'm really going to try to keep up with my protein treatments and do these on a monthly basis and not wait too long. But yeah, so y'all let me know if you have tried FOG or if you plan on trying it. And if you have tried it, how do you like it? So thanks y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.